Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of online brokers and unsure which one fits your investment needs? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of two giants in the online brokerage world, Scalable Capital and Trading 212, to help you decide which platform deserves your hard-earned money. First up, Scalable Capital. They offer a tiered account structure. From their free broker to their prime broker with interest advantages, you'll find plans tailored to different investment levels. Scalable Capital provides access to stocks, ETFs, funds, and even crypto ETPs. Note that interest offerings and commission fees can vary based on your account type and the exchange you use. Now let's shift our focus to Trading 212, known for its incredibly user-friendly interface. They stand out with their commission-free stock and ETF trading. Trading 212 also offers CFDs, which can be tempting, but remember these are complex instruments with a high risk of losing money rapidly. When it comes to fees, it's not just about commission. Dig deeper. Scalable Capital has free and paid plans, while Trading 212 primarily boasts commission-free trading, but consider any inactivity fees or charges for specific order types and CFD positions. This can affect your overall cost. Think about your investment style. If you're a buy-and-hold investor primarily focused on stocks and ETFs, the commission-free structure of Trading 212 might be attractive. But active traders may want to explore Scalable Capital and its prime offering, while leveraging all its features. Finally, let's consider user experience. Both platforms offer mobile apps and web interfaces, but they each have their own strengths. Scalable Capital's interface is more tailored for serious investors, while Trading 212 offers a simple on-ramp for beginners. So, which platform is right for you? It depends on your individual needs, investment goals, and risk tolerance. Assess how frequently you plan to trade, the asset types that interest you, and your comfort level with risk. Remember, informed decisions are the best decisions when it comes to your money.